The Kumbh Mela in Nasik has been flagged off on a grand note and festivity is in the air. Thousands of devotees have started pouring into the city. While first-timers in the city might find it unnerving, officials have made all the possible arrangements, from Mela-specific apps to specially trained tour guides, to make their experience a pleasant and memorable one. Here's what you need to know to make Kumbh Mela 2015 an unforgettable experience. Once you reach Nasik, check into your hotel. After settling in, there's much to do to initiate the spiritual journey. One can attend the morning aarti at Kumbh, perform rituals and enjoy the songs of worship being sung. The best time to take a Shahi Snan in the holy river is early in the morning before sunrise, since it'll be less crowded at that time. Sumptuous laddus and peras will be distributed as a part of the puja rituals at temples during the Mela. If you plan to visit the Sadhugram, note that the Akhada people will serve you a delicious meal, also relished by the sadhus living there. Complete meals are served as prasad to all pilgrims after the Shahi Snan. With a large number of tourists expected to visit the Mela this year, the Maharashtra Tourism Development Corporation has trained 44 tourist guides under a training program by the Indian Institute of Tourism and Travel Management, Gwalior. Their names and numbers can be accessed on the Tourism Corporation's official website. Charges range from 200 to 1000 per guide, depending upon the number of people in the group. These guides will provide complete information about the Mela and the places to visit nearby, making your trip worthwhile. Several apps have been customized by experts to help first-timers find their way around the city. These provide comprehensive information on important routes, the itinerary for the Mela, hotels, lodges, hospitals, ATMs in the vicinity and emergency numbers. Mid-Tracker, Nasik Kumbh Mela 2015, Nasik City Connect, Nasik Hub Guide for Kumbh Mela and Nasik Trimbak Kumbh 2015 are some of the apps that are available for download. People in the city are fluent in 3 languages: Marathi, the local language, Hindi and English. Foreigners should keep in mind that many people understand English but cannot speak the language. So learning some essential words of Marathi and Hindi will help them communicate with the locals better. For foreign travelers, currency exchange booths at the airport offer the best prices for money exchange. One should carry proper identification documents with them, such as a copy of the passport and driving license, among others. It is also advisable to read up about the city before preparing a travel itinerary. Wearing comfortable and loose-fitting clothes will save you a lot of discomfort while walking in the midst of crowd. Don't forget to carry an extra pair of footwear, just in case you misplace the pair you have. Here are the important events and Snan dates. We hope you found this video useful. Have an amazing trip.